Welcome back to our YouTube tutorial on creating barcodes in Excel. Barcodes are essential tool for business to streamline inventory management, track products, and improve efficiency. In this video, I will guide you through the process of generating barcodes right within the Excel. So don't go away and watch this video till end.
Don't forget to subscribe KnowHow and press the bell icon for more videos.
So this is the worksheet that I will use to create barcodes in Excel. I have taken some products, their UPCs, and from the UPCs we are going to create barcodes. So first of all, I will write the formula in the barcode. I will write equal, inverted commas start, star, inverted commas close, then end, the cell in which we have the UPC, again end, inverted comma start, star, inverted commas close. So now your data is ready to generate barcodes. So I will double click on the bottom right corner of this cell to apply this formula on the other cells also. Now I will go to fonts, and then in the font I will select this font, and you can see that our barcode has been generated. Now wait a second, this CIA code 39 is not available in the basic Excel. We have to download it and incorporate it into the Excel. How we can do this? I'm going to teach it. To download these fonts, we have to go to the Google, and in the search bar we have to write DA font and then press enter. In the search result you will find this DA font. Now we have to select the barcodes, and in the barcode there are different formats available. So you can select any code from the list. I have selected this CIA code 39, so I have to press this download and download this package. After downloading, we have to store it in a folder. I have already stored it in a folder, so let's go to that folder. This is the folder in which I have downloaded the CIA code 39. Now I simply have to copy it, and then I have to go to the C partition where I have the windows. In the window I have to find the fonts, and in the fonts I will paste this font. So after pasting this font will be available in Excel. You now simply have to close this window and go to the Excel and generate your barcodes. And there you have it. We have reached the end of our tutorial on creating barcodes in Excel. By now you should feel confident in your ability to generate barcodes for your products or inventory items using Excel built-in feature. Remember, barcodes can greatly enhance efficiency, accuracy, and organization in various fields, so it's a valuable skill to have. Feel free to experiment with different codes format and customize them according to your needs. We hope this tutorial has been informative and helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might find it useful. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy barcoding.